Today's our topic is classification of fractions. First is proper fractions. The numerator is smaller than the denominator is proper fraction. Improper fraction, the number is greater than the denominator is improper fraction. And what is mixed fraction? Mixed fraction, a whole number and a proper fraction together. This is called mixed fraction. So understand, students, all the type of fraction: proper fraction, improper fractions and mixed fraction. Unit fractions. Students, in previous class I have already taught you about unit fraction. Unit fraction, a fraction having 1 as its numerator, is called an unit fraction. You can see in the picture 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 8, 1 by 16. 1 is numerator and different numbers are denominators. Proper fraction. Students, always remember that the value of every proper fraction is less than 1. The numerator is smaller than the denominator. So you can see in this picture, numerator is 3 and denominator is 5. So 3 is less than 5, and many fractions are given in this picture: 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 3 by 4, 2 by 3, 3 by 10 and 7 by 10. You can see all the numerator is less than denominator. So what is proper fraction? The numerator is smaller than the denominator. So if you find anywhere fractions, if numerator is smaller than denominator, that will be proper fraction. Improper fraction. Students, a fraction whose numerator is more than or equal to its denominator is known as an improper fraction. In other words, a fraction which is not proper is called an improper fraction. And in simple words, the numerator is the same or bigger than the denominator. You can see many fractions are there in this picture. 5 by 2, 5 is greater than 2, 2 is denominator. 2 by 2, 4 by 4 is same numerator and denominator, but 7 by 4, 7 is greater than 4. 5 by 3, 8 by 5, 5 is greater than 3 and 8 numerator is greater than 5, 5 is denominator. Okay. Mixed numbers or mixed fraction. A number which can be expressed as the sum of a whole number and a proper fraction is known as mixed fraction. In simple words, a mixed number has a part that is a whole and a part that is a fraction. You can see in this picture there are two pictures. One is whole colored with green, but second picture is divided into 4 parts but colored only 3 parts. So one whole 3 by 4. This is mixed numbers or mixed fractions. Exercise 7C. Question number 1. Convert each of the following improper fractions into mixed fraction numerals. Here is A, 83 by 10. This is improper fraction. So we have to find mixed fraction. First of all, divide 83 by 10, this type. And the formula of mixed fraction is equal to quotient plus remainder upon division. So let's divide 83 by 10. 10 adds 80, subtract 83 minus 80, remainder is 3. Mixed fraction is equal to quotient, remainder and divisor. This is quotient, remainder and divisor. We get quotient is equal to 8, remainder 3. Here 8 is whole number and 3 parts out of 10 means 3 by 10. This is whole number. and 3 is part of 10. It means 3 by 10. Thus 83 by 10 is equal to 8 plus 3 by 10. So 8 whole 3 by 10. This is our formula, quotient plus remainder upon divisor. B 19 by 5. This is improper fraction. We have to change in mixed fraction. So what is the formula of mixed fraction? Mixed fractions is equal to quotient plus remainder upon divisor. So first of all, we have to divide 19 by 5. 5 divisor, 19 dividend, 5 3 is 15, 19 minus 15, 4 is remainder. This is divisor, quotient and remainder. We get quotient 3, remainder 4. Here 3 is whole number and 4 parts out of 5 means 4 by 5. Thus 19 by 5 is equal to 3 plus 4 by 5. Here 3 whole 4 by 5, because the formula of mixed fraction is quotient plus remainder upon divisor. C 54 by 7. First of all, divide 54 by 7. 7, 54, 7 7 is 49. Remainder is 5. We get quotient 7, remainder 5. Here 7 is whole number and 5 parts out of 7 means 5 by 7. This is quotient, 5 is part of 7. Thus 54 by 7 is equal to 7 plus 5 by 7. Here 7 whole 5 by 7. Students, D do yourself and send as a online classwork. Question number 2. Convert each of the following mixed fractions into improper fractions. A 11 whole 3 by 9. This is mixed fraction. So formula of improper fraction is natural number into denominator plus numerator upon denominator. Therefore 11 whole 3 by 9 is equal to 11 by 11 into 9. Multiply 11 and 3, 11 and 9. 11 and 9 plus 3 and denominator 9 is same. 11 9 is 99 plus 3. 99 plus 3 102 upon 9. 102 by 9. So all students learn this formula, find out the improper fractions, and if you find the mixed fraction, so formula of mixed fraction is quotient plus remainder upon divisor. B 3 whole 3 by 4. 3 whole 3 by 4 is equal to 3 into 4. Multiply 3 and 4 plus 3. 3 4 is 12 plus 3. 12 plus 3, 15 by 4. C 1 whole 2 by 7. 1 whole 2 by 7, multiply 1 into 7. 1 into 7 plus 2. 7 1 7 is 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2 9. 9 by 7. Okay. So students, do question number 1D and 2D yourself as a online classwork and send.